and welcome back to my YouTube channel! Yes, for today's video, we are going to unbox a PR kit from our dear friend, Charis. It's from a vape company and na-release na siya ang vape. So, itagaan ta nila ang PR kit for us to try it, and also na ako'y surprise at the end of this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more updated videos, and also like this video and comment down below any suggestions that you can suggest for me to vlog. And yes, ayaw sa mong lakaw because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a surprise. Yes, surprise! So I'm filming this vlog here at Providence Home Townhouse. Thank you so much, Providence, for having BYC here. Nindot kaayo guys, dili promise. Because I'm very dako niya. Kanang naapay theater. Actually, na ako there is a Star Wars theme na theater.
Wow.
Then 3 floors ni siya. Yung mga ni ang basement. Dari ko nag-vlog cause nindot kayo ang view niya. Napay pa lights din. But wako nagatubang kaya ganun ko makita siya. So anyways, let's do the vlog na dyan no kay taas-taas na po. So yeah, this is from Hypebeat. Hypebeat na siya guys. You can check out their Facebook page and also their Instagram, Hypebeat Lifestyle. Buton na ko rin. Also, I'm gonna put it on the description box for you to find it easily. Ang mga links na sa description box. So, thank you so much, Kim, for introducing us sa Hypebeat. Salamat kayo. Actually, guys, I'm not a type of person who do smoking and vaping. So, kani siya, I'm gonna give this to my partner, but also, I'm gonna try it. Actually, it's not my first time, but para maka-experience po ko ani, because I'm gonna send this also to you guys. So yeah, nasa team mastorya oy kung okay ba. So yes, para napod ko makabawsad ko ba kung sa jud ni ang Hypebeat. So, naatay ko, Andre, mo ni siya ang Geekvape. Nasa tulog ka products, guys. So, one of the products is Geekvape. Mo ni siya Wenax H1 1000 mAh 2.1 ml. Nya, lime green ang color. So, yes. So, naa siya bottom shock proof design, accidental press protection lock, 3-level output adjustments, auto activation and firing button, stable output, and yes, it is 1000 mAh built-in battery. So, ang sudan ni is one device, 2 cartridge. So, nana siya mga warning signs. So, Wenax H1, a portable pod vape that serves long with a 1000 mAh built-in battery and performs solid to shock with bottom shock proof mechanism. So, ano siya guys, Geekvape. So, i-open na natin no kay para mahuman na ta. Okay, taas-taas na gitong video. Wait lang. Tiyan, ano siya plastic and ay, paano na. Alam no, naginag-groups. Mura siyang cellphone sudanan guys. Charm. Wenax na. So, mauni siya ang manual. This is the manual nga di na to basahon. Is na basag manual. Mauni siyang manual guys. Mauni siya dara mga instructions and everything. Then ay mga warning, do not use this device for anything other than vaping. Do not let the tank run empty to avoid dry or burnt vape. Do not overfill the tank to avoid any leakage. And before use, make sure your battery is compatible with the device. When vaping, please adjust the airflow valves if applicable for the best experience. So, naroon na siya na yung warning. Then, sa paminadari. Taghag warning guys, taghag warning na warning and everything. Nasa ni product information. Then, let's go to the product mismo. Kakilig mo na niyang product, guys. Diba? This is the vape itself and this one is the pods. Duha ka pods iyaha na ay extra in case mag-block or something. So, mali siya ang vape mismo na dili sulod mo ang pods. Then, mali siya ang button if mo na siya na pinamay. Then, dili ang charging port. Then, also, na yung nakabutang rio, first time nagbasa akong manual, kaya wala ko kasabot. So, as what I've said, these are the pods. Yan na ay gamay dali nga block. Yung muna siyang tangtangon. Then, dili na may butang ang juice. Na. Hindi ko ka-open. Why would it? Hindi siya ma-open. Why? Nga nag-open. Hala no, naginugops. Dili mag-open guys. So, mara siya anak. Dili mo isulod ang juice. Nga na tiny hole diri. Dili mo isulod ang juice. So, siya. Then kani, mo na siyang anak. No, it's sakto ba niyo? Parang hindi na. After niyo mo na anay juice diri, mo na din siya i-push. Then makadungog kag-click. And then it's ready for usage. So, naay nakabutang diri sa ilahang manual nga ay prompts. So, if low battery siya, red light will flashes 5 times diri. Then, kung no atomizer, red light will flash 3 times. Nya, if short na ang atomizer, red light will flash 8 times. Then, output timeout, when single output exceeds 10 seconds timeout, red light will light up for 3 seconds. Then if ma-overheat, red light will light up for 10 seconds when the device overheat. So, dili na mo makita ang tanan. Okay? So, palit na mo guys. Nakasulti na mo ako ng product. Wait. So, this is only for 1,199. This product you can order via their Facebook page or you can PM me for orders. Ano yung product? So, money siya. So, yes. Manatanaw sa product. Dili na ko ma-try because I haven't bought a juice yet. Kaya wala siya appeal. Di ba na ko ninyo nga ako surprise at the end of this video. So, muna siya ang surprise, guys. So, I have here the instructions. Just, if you will buy this Hive Big Geekvape, if you will buy this, this is 1,199, you will have a 5% followers discount. Diba? 5%. How much the 5% of 1,199? Kamu mo nagkwinta kay wala ko calculator diri. So mo to siya guys, 5% will be deducted from the full price amount of this vape. So yes. PM na muna ako guys, diba? Nice kayo. I will do another video for the product review. This is just an unboxing for this product. So I will do another review para mapakita na ko ninyo kung saan siya paggamit. Guys, saan paggamit? Vape tutorial. Sige ako kabaw. So yes, naros lagi ipanghatag nga mga papel-papel dari. So brand and about. Hype B is a set to launch various lifestyle and trends product having partnership with various brands in China. To launch first is Geekvape. So ano siya guys, Geekvape. One of the top quality vape brands across the globe. We are set to officially launch our first brand this October with Geekvape. Modern vape model Wenax H1. So, bago na dyan siya na-release ang ang vape guys. So, palit na mo! Soon, ni sa TikTok shop. So don't forget to follow my TikTok here. On TikTok. And also I have Instagram, I have Facebook page, I have Twitter, and also YouTube. So I think that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Comment sa mo guys kung okay na ba, what do you think about the product, nakasuway na ba mo sa product, mga inanang mga butang budgets namugos. But anyways, let's end this vlog right here and kay saba na kayo sila sa taas. If makadungog mo background songs, if malungog mo background storya, sila na ako mga kauban sa taas because this is not a soundproof room. Kaya ako rin sa obos to vlog so naitip sa nagpahilugod isa for the whole time. Anyways guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and click the notification bell for more updated videos. This is your girl March Diary saying life is too short to be wasted. So see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye! My discount code will be in my description box. I'm gonna flash it here. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on the next vlog.